basically what you need is flour, salt, oil, yeast and water. Yeast, turn, one, two, the oil is for the sponge. Now, milled water, not cold, not hot, milled. Mild. Yeah, mild. Even the movement is important as well. So take and push, take and push. The pasta should be humid, not dried. From time to time you can open to see if there is a proper mix. So, for 500 grams of flour, we should get 850 grams. Little crosses on top. The pasta needs to sleep. Finished.
How long do we wait?
At least 3 hours. We will set the growing for 5 or 6 because it's slow. If you see that the pasta doesn't grow properly, put the tray very close to something that is very hot, like the like fire or even in the oven, just for 10 minutes, no more. So tomato sauce, salt, some oil, oregano. Yeah, much better. Tomato, mozzarella, bacon, or tomato, mozzarella and ham. After 10 minutes, and another 10 minutes now.